Where the two rivers met is a village of Disangmukh, inhabited by the missing tribe. Many years ago, while navigating down the river Disang, I sang a song to the village I saw from the boat. Today, not much has changed in this village. As I go down once again the river Disang, I see life unfold itself on the banks of the river, and the old strains came back to me.
Bajali je pempati, bajali je pempati, kurere khajali dekho disang mukhar nikati, mibuga lok solati pererum bangsadar khan, kiano pindili, murad dekho dumer digamusa atili, aru tore purukre hate, futi futi uthi se, heuj rangor jia jia oi nitamti. Oriya khonit tamuli taka ranga tora basili dekatir punor bahir hote gungang bajali koriya har phul hen ribi gaseng khoni toy bukute bandhili aru kapi util disangore mitha 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 dhauti Guna khutir parate bahudin ragate o miri re jiyori mur pani joni murile.
As we wandered around the village, we saw people carry on with the business of life around the village. And inside the bamboo huts, which are constructed on platforms as a precaution against monsoon perils.
Disang mukhar dekati Ajir pane no more Aru jonki ene kande Ei jonki paner missing amaj nijei disang abung hoi Akhomire borlui tor poti badhabo Mara marhe ei jugti Bajali je pempati, bajali je pempati, kurere khajali dekho disang mukhar nikati. Kurere khajali dekho disang mukhar nikati.
Are you wondering what these women are doing here? Fire, ashes, rice husk and straw. Well, this is what goes into the making of appam, the local homemade rice beer.
Bolo guna khutir parate bahudin ragate o miri re jiyori mur pani joni murile pise jonki re siorti
Well, what is life anyway without a good drink to cheer it up? Appam is an integral part of life here. And after a long day's work, the people drink themselves to oblivion from the mundane worries of day-to-day existence.
Ajir pane no more aru jonki ene kande ei jonki panir missing hamaj nijei disang abung hoi
The women here, like the rest of Northeast, are extremely hardworking.
It was quite a privilege to see some men at work, be it at home or at the field. With a baby on her back, she toils to make the home and the hearth flourish.